Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is delicious non-veg recipe prawn masala. Goes well with rice or roti. So let's start. Take tiger prawns, clean it and let's marinate it. Take cleaned tiger prawns into a mixing bowl. To that add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of garam masala. You can also add pepper powder. Mix it and coat it well. And rest it for 1 hour. If you don't have enough time, rest it for at least 30 minutes. Now heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add the marinated prawns. Let's shallow fry it. Cook it both sides evenly in low to medium flame for 5 minutes. Cook it till the fishy smell goes and the prawn curls up. Once the prawns are 50% cooked, transfer it to a bowl. Now to the same oil, add finely chopped onion, cook till the onion turns golden brown. You can also add green chilli slits. Once the onion turns golden brown, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. Saute it well till the raw smell goes. Now add half cup of tomato puree. Have taken 1 large tomato. Saute it and cook it in medium flame till the puree absorbs and oil floats. Add enough salt. Now add fried prawns to it. Saute it well and cook it for 5 minutes till the masala coats well with prawn. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can add at this stage or you can add at the beginning stage once the onion turns golden brown. Adding at the final stage gives good flavor to the masala. Cook it for another 2 minutes, turn off the flame and serve hot. So friends, try out this delicious recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe Nandoos Cookbook channel for more delicious recipes.